Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? I think all of you are keeping well. Today I will discuss about something that most of our people say that I am weak in English, I am weak in English, I am weak in English. So I will say that taken any steps to learn English? You will say that I haven't take. I have not taken any steps. You will say that. But you are saying that I am weak in English, but you are not saying that I want to learn English. This is the main lackings of our Bengalis. Most of our Bengalis go abroad, they do their job, but they don't know how to get a good job there. Most of our Bengalis don't take any necessary classes or any training from Bangladesh to go to abroad. If they want to do any good job or any good situation to do something, they are good. They don't take any training. But this is the main lackings of our Bengalis. Most of our people in India, most of the Pakistani, most of another countries people, if they go abroad, they learn the three steps. Most of them learn the three items. These are computer, computer, driving, and speaking English. These three methods so important if you want to do something good in foreign, in abroad. So most of our Bengalis, if they say that primarily English is must for them to go abroad, to go communicate with the foreigners. English is a must. So as a second language, we have to learn it. We have to learn it as a second language. So besides, they are so uninterested, so they are not interested at all. Most of them interested, but they are not serious to learn the language. What is the main lackings? The main lackings is that our surroundings, our environment, this is not in favor of us. Most of our friends say that you Bengali dog, you are speaking English. Bengali dog say English. So puzzling this is. So googly question this is. This hampered our speaking English. So don't take any side talking. Please, please pick them. Please put them behind you. Don't put them in front of you, because if you put them in front of you, you won't know this. You won't be able to learn English, because some side effect will hamper your speaking. So you have to learn falling behind your obstacleness. Most of your friends, most of your colleagues, most of your relatives may say you that you are Bengali, but you are Bengali dog, but you are speaking English. Your Bengali dog is speaking English. So bad. But I have learned English through academic classes. I haven't taken any spoken course. Only reading my grammar and textbook in academic subjects, I have learned the topics. So for helping you, just to help you to make you a perfect fluent speaker, I have created just a YouTube channel. So if you're weak in English, just connect with my channel, do all the classes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes class, just one day. One after one day will come, and one after one day you will be a fluent speaker. If you practice the 5 minutes or 15 minutes class, I say you that if you do my 15-minute class or 10 minutes class or 8 minutes class, you will perfect speaker. You will be fluent speaker English. The 4 methods I will teach you, but at first I will discuss the simple methods. I will discuss the main topics at first. The basic is must. The basic. Bengalis don't know the basic well, so that he is lagging behind. He faced the English so problematic, so hard, so difficult, because they don't know the basic. The basic is a must. I will suggest you to learn at first all the basic knowledge in English. So step by step, at first you may appear the video so easy. I like to play football. This Bengalis আমি ফুটবল খেলতে পছন্দ করি. This simple sentence, if you read, if you go behind that, there is nothing to learn. You will know nothing. You will know nothing because you are lagging behind. You have seen the video that this is easy and you know them. If you lag behind, you will not get the another video. The problem, the difficult sentence will come one after another, and by the way you will learn most length language. So at first the simple sentence, the easy sentence, the 2 or 3 words making the sentence, this is very simple, but you have to learn more a lengthy sentence. How will you describe your opinions, your ideas? You have to learn the sentence at first, the simple. একটি ছোট ছোট বালিকণা বিন্দু বিন্দু জল মিক্স তৈরি করে কি সমুদ্র ও তল. So you have to learn the simple sentence, the short sentence at first, then you will learn more lengthy sentence. I will suggest you not to lag behind, not to avoid all of the video. If you connect with just 3 months or just 2 weeks class, just if you connect 2 weeks class in all my videos, you will learn more. I am confident that I will suggest you something from my channel. You'll know something. Just connect. I am trying to make all of the Bengalis so expert. They are very interested. I have told my friends something that when I practice with them, when I say some sentence to them, they say that, friend, please teach me. They are so interested, but they are not serious. They are not doing all of the classes. Bengalis know the price. Bengali knows the price. They provide 10,000 or 5,000 taka in spoken course, in IELTS course, and then do it so seriously. Yes, they have given 5,000 or 10,000 money. So Bengalis goes there. They don't know to learn something easily, something without cost, without freely. This is the main lackings of us. Not Bengalis. I am also a Bengali. I have also the some lackings. As a Bengalis, we have the interest, we have the apathy, sympathy, so sympathetic, so effective the man is. So this is so curiosity. You have to overcome this. The seriousness must be taken, and of the steps to learn. We go ahead. I pray for you. I try to provide you something that most of my friends, most of my colleagues, most of them say that, please teach me English, please teach me English, please teach me English. I want to learn English. They're so serious. But I have observed something that most of my friends, most of my colleagues, most of my cousins, most of my relatives say that, please teach me English. When I start them, without 7 days or 10 days or after 15 days or 1 month, they are lagging behind. They are not interested. Why you are losing your interest? So I have created the channel not to avoid your interests. You can take your interest, you receive cordially your interest, and do all of the class 8 minutes or 15 minutes, just enough, and practice them perfectly all day. And finally I will say that you that goodbye. Learn English perfectly. Be serious, be curious, be attentive, read silently, do all the class perfectly, and practice them with your friend, practice them with your mom, practice them with your family members, and learn English perfectly. Are you ready? Are you agree with me? So hands up, who wants to learn English? So craziness, something so funny. If you want to learn English easily and funny, and gossiping with your friend, just make funny sentence in your brain, make funny Bengali sentence, then practice it, then translate it into English sentence. This very sentence, at first you can face the words, you can face the sentence so hard, so lengthy, so difficult, but if you practice them step by step, your mouth will be closed at first. If you want to practice at first, it will be I so so this simple, this not the seriousness, this not the problem, just after step by step. At first I was like you, that I was I play cricket. I play cricket, then practice. I play chess, I play football, I play hockey. Variety sentence you can use one after one after another. Just come up. And love you all. We carry on your studies. Thanks you guys for connecting with me. I will comment below my YouTube channel. Just click there and enter into my videos and be attentive and do all the classes perfectly. So we connect within those 3 months, 4 months or 6 months. Until learn English, you will not avoid my channel. Love you all. Goodbye.